Let me show you how to solve this question. Here, you are asked to find the value of x in x raised to the power of 2 root x equals to 16x raised to the power of 2. How will you approach this question if you encounter it in exam? X raised to the power of 2 root x is equals to 16x raised to the power of 2. To solve this question, recall that 16 can be written as what? 4 raised to the power of 2. So replace 16 as 4 raised to the power of 2. I'm going to have x raised to the power of 2 root x is equals to 4 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 2. Okay? Now, there is a law that says if you have a raised to the power of b multiplied by c raised to the power of b, this can be written as a times c raised to the power of b. That means if I have 4 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 2, this can be written as 4x raised to the power of 2. Are you following? Also, if I have a raised to the power of b multiplied by c, this can be written as a raised to the power of c raised to the power of b, right? So I'm going to use this law. I'm going to use it at the left-hand side of this equation. Also, I'm going to use this law at the right-hand side of the equation. So that means if I have x raised to the power of 2 root x, this can be written as x raised to the power of root x raised to the power of 2, right? So I'm going to replace this as this. X raised to the power of root x raised to the power of 2 equals to, okay, replace this as this. 4x raised to the power of 2. Now you can see that we have the base to be equal. The power is equal. That means the base, we're going to set it to be equal, right? So I'm going to have x raised to the power of root x is equals to 4x, right? Okay, divide both sides by x. So this over x and this over x. So I'm left with x raised to the power of root x all over x is equals to 4, right? Okay, law of indices. If you have a raised to the power of b divided by a raised to the power of c, this can be written as a raised to the power of b minus c, right? So I'm having x raised to the power of root x divided by x. Do you know that this x, the power is 1, right? So put it, I'm going to have x raised to the power of root x minus 1. Okay, so for this, I'm going to have x raised to the power of root x minus 1 equals to 4. Now pay attention. Do you know 4, the power of 4 is what? 1, right? 1 can be written as what? 2 minus 1. Is that not it? Yes. Please, I want you to understand something. I'm driving at something and somewhere here, and I want you to understand. 4 can be written as 4 raised to the power of 1 because 4 is still the same thing. Are you getting it? 4 raised to the power of 1 is 4, right? And then 1 can be written as what? 2 minus 1. So replace it. I'm going to have x raised to the power of root x minus 1 equals to 4 raised to the power of 2 minus 1. Okay. Now, do you know that 2 can be written as what? The square root of 4, right? 2 is the square root of 4. So replace the value of 2 as square root of 4. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of root x minus 1 is equals to 4 raised to the power of square root of 4 minus 1. Is that not it? Now, if you compare both sides, you can see that the power are equal. That means the base will also be equal. You understand? The value of x at the base is 4, right? Yes. And here, square root, we have to take the square root of x. And we are already taking the square root of 4. So that means that x is equals to 4 from the equation that we have by comparison of both sides. So that is the solution to the question. If you have another method, and drop it in the comment section, okay? Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more, okay? Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next class.